friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here 2006 Toyota Matrix and this is my first time inspecting this vehicle, so I'm going all over it, and one of the inspections definitely should be engine coolant. And of course it's very easy to make the assumption that there's enough coolant, right? Why there will be no coolant? We have no leaks and anything, so there should be enough, right? This is the 1.8 liter, the model 1ZZFE, and where can we check the coolant? First of all, you are not opening this radiator cap, right? There is no reason, because if the cooling system works correctly, it's in this overflow reservoir. Let me show you how to see the level in it. And if I bring this slide, right, and I put it right here, actually you will be able with me see, you see that pink fluid inside, and you also, I hope you see the full, right, and then on the bottom is the low. So I definitely want to have it perfect, so I want to see it on the full line. Now the car is here for a while, so I know it's not too hot that something will blow on me, so I feel comfortable opening this, right, this overflow area. I'm comfortable opening it and adding the coolant. But what coolant goes in this 2006 Matrix? That's a good question, because older Toyota Matrix cars were using long life, but this model 2006 is actually using super long life coolant. I know this is just inspection for someone, but I like things perfect and I cannot stop myself adding the coolant. So I brought a little funnel, right, to avoid any spills, and I will keep filling it until I touch that full mark, which actually just happened. Now I'm happy. And I hope that gives you idea how to check and add coolant in 2006 Toyota Matrix. I hope you liked that video. If you did, give it a thumb up and make sure, absolutely sure you are subscribed. I have way more Toyota tech coming your way on this channel. See you later, my friend.